Hey everyone, Brant here with Photoshop Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to make a desktop wallpaper just like this. They look three-dimensional and it's really awesome looking. So I'll show you how to do that step by step, be as detailed as I can. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with making a new document. We're going to make it my desktop background size, which is 1600 by 900, and keep the resolution at 300. Click OK. I want background black. Alright, we're going to create a new layer. You can either do that by clicking down here or pressing Ctrl-Shift-N. Alright, then we're going to grab our brush. A fairly big brush, probably about 1163 pixels. And we're going to do this one red, like a dark red. Alright, go ahead and click once. And that's more pinkish. Let's delete that. Let's find a red, there we go, like a red like that. There we go. And we're going to lower the opacity to probably 29. Okay, and then we're gonna merge both of these layers, the background and this layer 1. So go ahead and click layer 1, hold shift, click the background to select both, right click and go to merge layers, and then create a new layer. Now we start with the pen tool. You will have to know how to use the pen tool for this. So watch my pen tool tutorial if you don't, but basically we're just going to make a triangle shape. And once we got that path made, we're going to right click in the center of the triangle and go fill path and select color. Go all the way down, select a red, click OK, click OK. Alright, right click and delete path. And there we have a ugly red triangle. Alright, let's create a new layer. Hold Alt and click in between layer 1 and 2. And let's go ahead and make it three-dimensional. So start in this corner. Make an anchor point kind of in the middle, anchor point this corner, anchor point, and then just kind of go like that. Then right click, fill path, color, do a lighter red, and delete path. Now we're going to start right here. Anchor point, anchor point, anchor point. I didn't line that up right. Alright. Anchor point, there we go. Right click, fill path, and we're going to make this one a darker red. Okay. And delete path. And there you see we have a three-dimensional triangle. Okay, we're going to go ahead and merge these. I already showed you how to do that, so let's go ahead and merge them. We'll name it Cluster 1. Well, this is how I label them, big Cluster 1. Alright, we're going to go ahead and duplicate and change this to 2. And we're going to rotate it a little bit and kind of position it where we want to put that big cluster 2 under 1. And we'll go ahead and move it where it looks good. Let's do it right there. Okay, now we're going to duplicate this and say medium cluster 1. And we're going to make it a little medium, about like that. And we're just going to randomly place it, probably like that. We're going to make one more medium, and make this 2. And rotate it, and randomly place it. Then we're going to right click, duplicate again, make small cluster 1. Whoops. Okay, then we're going to make it a little smaller, about like that. Rotate it a little and randomly place it. And we're going to duplicate one more time and make that small cluster 2. Rotate and randomly place. Then we're going to go ahead and select all these clusters, merge, and then group them, and call the group clusters. Okay. And then you have freedom to move them. We're going to move them to the center. Alright, now we can do the lines. So we're going to go ahead and grab the line tool, keep it just whatever, keep it the standard red color. Click, hold, drag, keep it on the anchor point, click, hold, drag again, click, hold, drag again, and then just keep doing that until it's to your liking, I guess. That'll work for me. Now we're going to select all these shape layers, merge them, and then group them. Lines. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and lower the opacity on the lines to 21 and drag them under the clusters. And that's how you make a desktop background like that. Pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty fast, and fun to make. And you can do other stuff like with the clusters, right click, blending options. We can do stuff like an outer glow, select a black, and bring the range down, bring the opacity up. I wonder why I need highlighting. Oh well, regardless, you can do that. You can do drop shadow. Let's do a distance of 10. And how about 22? Yeah. And then lower the opacity down to like 14. And then they have a little drop shadow on them. But it's a really easy, cool looking background. And that's how you do it. And you also can make different colors each time, but I showed you the red. So I hope this tutorial helped, and see you next time.